This beef chow mein is unbelievably delicious. I'll walk you through every step of the way. It will turn out perfectly every time.
This is better than your favorite takeout. You'll see.
To get the perfectly tender beef, try this velveting technique. It's truly a game changer. In a mixing bowl, add the beef flank inside. Marinate it with salt. Mix until the beef has fully absorbed the salt. Shaoxing white helps to remove the gamey taste of the beef. Egg white helps to tenderize the beef. Cornstarch seals the juice of the beef inside. Then add the white pepper. Add the oil. And mix everything together. Marinate for about 30 minutes. It works like magic. You'll see. Chow mein usually use egg noodles that are slightly chewier and thinner. They are available in most Chinese supermarkets. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. To get the perfect texture of noodles, place the chow mein noodles inside and quickly blanch for about 20 seconds. Do not overcook them. Rinse the noodle with cold water to stop cooking. This is really important. And drain.
So what are the differences between chow mein and lo mein?
Chow mein means stir-fry noodles, while lo mein means mixed noodles. But here in the US, they're both cooked by stir-frying them. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, and white pepper. In a wok over high heat, pour about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Transfer the beef inside. Avoid stir-frying it immediately. Let it have a beautiful sear before touching it. Now, stir-fry it for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the snap peas, onion, and shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry until aromatic for about 1 minute. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the chow mein noodles. Stir-fry for about a minute. Return the beef, vegetables, mushrooms, and the sauce. Mix everything together. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and scallions. Toss them together.
It is absolutely delicious. I love everything about it. The beef is so juicy and tender and the noodles are so aromatic. I just love it. If you also like to make beef lo mein at home, check out the video right here. Comment below and let me know, do you like chow mein better or do you like lo mein better? And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Also receive early access to my written recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. You are amazing.